My name is Geetika
and my name is Garvita
and today we are making
palak dal.
Okay, now let's go on to the ingredients. We have the palak, we have some onions, garlic, coriander, some chilies, tomatoes, oil, organic tamarind, salt, turmeric powder, onions, garlic, coriander and some water. And now we also have some tur dal. So let's start the recipe. So first I'm going to be adding 8 glasses of water. For this recipe I have taken 1 glass of dal. Next, I'm going to be adding the chilies. And then the palak. Then our onions, garlic and coriander. Our tomatoes, the tamarind, the salt and the turmeric powder. And last, we are going to be adding the oil. Now we are going to be closing it and wait for 4 whistles. Before that we are going to light. So now while we are waiting for the dal to get cooked, we are going to make the rice. I have taken 3 glasses of rice. By 3 glasses I mean 3 glasses of this. So now we are going to add 6 glasses of water, which means the double of the rice we have put. Now I have added the water, and to check if it's going to cook properly, we are going to put our hand in. Please wash your hand before doing this. So this is correct. Now we are going to be lighting it. So the water needs to come till here for it to be correct. Now, let me put the cap and light it. See you when this and that is done. It has been a few minutes now. The whistles are starting to come. 2 whistles have come already. So, we are going to be waiting till it gets ready. There needs to be 1 more whistle until we can switch it off, as it has been 3 whistles right now. So, all the whistles have come and now I switched it off. So now let's wait for some time till all the gas goes out. Now it has been 2 whistles and the rice is ready. Now it's ready. Let's open the gap. Now we'll be draining out all the water as rasam. the rasam is done, we are going to start smashing this. If you are a kid, please take adult's help because it might be hard. Now it's ready. So now we are going to be making a tadka. For that we'll be needing some curry leaves, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, garlic and methi seeds and some oil too. We are going to add it. And now we are adding the all ingredients. We're going to add some ingwa. We're going to be adding some of the tadka into the rasam. And then we are going to add the dal into it. And then we will let it cook for some time. Babies from 6 months can also have this. And we are going to be adding all the rasam into the cooker and then pouring it back. Now it's ready and I'm going to taste it. First let's taste the dal. Tastes really good. You should try this. Now I'm going to have the rasam. This is also really nice. I hope you will try this sometime. Thank you for watching. Bye.